Hey everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay Man. We're over here pressure washing. Got the son back there doing a beautiful job, right? But I had a inquiry about a rental space for the garage, so I'm in the process of cleaning this out. I got a guy that's gonna bring a BMW 5 Series over, so he wants to pay for the cover space and just do it for a month or whatever. But so that's what I'm working on, just getting this space clean, man, because basically it's easy money, man. Just clean out, he'll bring it over here Wednesday, done deal, you know what I mean? Get money for Christmas or whatnot. He'll come pick it back up, and it's gonna open up the door for some other things. So just want to keep y'all informed what's going on. See the link for the neighbor code down there, and also we want to get you some free stock Robinhood. I got a link down below for that too, man. So there's some big things coming, man. I'm just kind of waiting to see what the right course of action is, you know what I'm saying? So because I did look at it was like a Mitsubishi 3000 GT, but I didn't catch it, man. Like I was gonna try to pick it up for like about $200-300. It said it needed a computer, but the guy sold it, he must have sold it early that morning. So I'll see if there's anything else, maybe something that already just runs, you know, because I don't want to put no money towards something that don't run. So we may see about flipping a car here or two, depending on if we get the right one, maybe a Honda, Toyota, something like that, and something that just runs, drives, easy flip, you know what I mean? So we'll go from there.